What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another video. Last video I did, it was at let's see, push play, 4:10 yesterday. And I told you I'm gonna do another one today just to show what we're trying to figure out what we make in a day, because it's kind of hard to figure it out. Just playing around with the numbers. So we're gonna be able to show you level 1, level 3, and what's already in the bot. That's what we're going to be able to show today, because here you can see 1581 was the number, because this number is already added to that number, because you see 15, 21, 59, of course, 1581. So yesterday at 4:10, we were at 1581, and we played around. We took all the levels. That's why that's $59, because all the level 1, level 2, level 3 was put in. So now, without further ado, 1581 is, remember that number, 1581. So we come over here. At 4:10 today, we are at, go to transaction hall, 1665, 1676. Okay, so it just ran. And it's been leaving only the cents in there, man. That's good. So I'm getting 0.3% off of everything versus the cents. And then they took out the money for level 2, because level 1 and 3, I told you I was going to wait until today to get. So far, if we got in the video, we have 1581. Here we have 1676, $5 more. So we had $95. So we had a total of $95. So what we do is come out here, cancel all this. So we got $95 so far that we made for today. So far from here, $95. All right. So now we're going to go to level 1 and see what's here. We go to my team. We go to level 1, $164.67, 164.67. So we come here, we do 164.676. What the heck am I doing? 95. Okay. I see what I did. All right, 95 plus. Now 164.676. Plus. So far it's $259. All right, let's see what's in. Level 2 should not have anything really. Oh, okay, it's $4.33 went in there. All right, so we're gonna put that. Okay, hold on. I gotta do this first. Go back here, receive it. So that's receive. Now we're gonna go to level 2. That way we can calculate it and receive it at the same time. So now we got another plus 4.33 plus, so that's 264. Now we're gonna go ahead and receive it, and now we're gonna go to level 3. So level 2 is connected to the bot, so it's been messing with the level 2, but level 3 and level 1 it doesn't get. So we made $20 from level 3. So plus 20 plus 284.75 we made just in one day, between 4:12 yesterday and 4:12 today, 4:10, 4:12 today. So now I'm gonna go ahead and receive that. And a bot just ran, so I could actually run it again. Since I put that in there, because the bot just ran, I was just looking at it. And it just ran, and then it'll keep checking every 3 minutes and put me back on schedule for what I need to do. So I could take that 190 and run it, or I could just let it sit. You know what? I'm just gonna let it sit. It's gonna sit, and then it'll go into the bot when the bot comes up again. So now our 1676 is now 1865. So we made 284,758. And then also, I don't think it's not on my computer no more. So you got 1865 here, there. And we are kicking butt. So really, I can show you too. If you go ahead and look at go to mine. Found this earlier. What team income? All right, see, you can see here I did level 1, level 2, level 3. Right here was all level 2s. So I really wanted to sit here and add up everything. Well, I mean, we know what we make. We know what we make. It was the 95 plus that 2 something. I don't have to go through that, but level 2 was in taking out all day, adding towards that total that's there. Adding towards that total. And like I said, now we got the bot. You don't have nothing to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm not complaining. I'm loving it. It's passive income. Come in here, check it. Just click on come to my team. It's all you got to do now. You do how many times a day you want? 4 times a day, 2 times a day, 1 time a day. Go to level 1, click receive. Go to level 3, click receive. I was trying to go to here on my phone. Let me see. It is now licensed. So it won't work. With my VPS. Just give us my update on the new VPS and the new bot on how it works. So let's go. And then you can see, you know, I mean, if you want to go all the way down to find out how many people you have. So what I was trying to do is show you, I kept getting that Phantom level 4. But I don't see it on here. So I'm starting to wonder now. Oh. To buy it $50. All right, so I'm on my website right here. It's actually still there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna it was on here earlier, it's not on it now. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing my screen. Stop share. And you can see it. You see it right there at the top. Well, once it's gets clear. There we go. See where it says infinite? That 4th one right there. That one right there. That's the infinite. Once you get a certain amount of, I guess when I hit 50 people, I'm getting close. So I guess it's showing me, what I can expect. But let's see what happens. So I got it there and I'm going to hit refresh. See if it comes back. See, it's still there on this one. But even when it's there on that one and I hit it, it says something about parameter. Yeah, the parameter is off. So I don't know. Guess I'm getting close to it or something that they just created. I don't know. Had to get with Jamsey about it. He did let me know what it was and how you get it once you have more than 50 people. So obviously, he didn't have 50 people a long time ago. So we're getting there. So we're going to find out what it is, but it's not on here anymore. So all we got to do now is let's see. Let's see. All we gotta do now is just sit back and wait and enjoy it. All right, beautiful people. I mean, I don't need to make this video no longer than it already is. We're kicking butt, taking names passively. But passively, but like I said, you see me, I turned this account from 100. See, look, we starting to get more money. That's 11 cents. This came in. I'm going to receive that. I'm going to do this real quick with y'all before I go. It's 11 more cent. Let's see. It's not almost a penny. And level 1, 0. All right, so that's what we got. That's where we at. That's what we have. Like I said, kicking butt, taking names. We're almost at 2 G's. It's $100 account, people. All you gotta do is come here and go to details of fund, and it shows you how much you ever funded in your account. 3/14/2022. 14 days ago. And it's about to be 2,000. If we making $200 something, it'll be 2,000 by the next video. It'll be 2,000 by the next video. It's growing like crazy. To the point where, and if you're getting over 3%, you are making your money back fast. Because you got to think about it. If we're doing, let's cancel this, 3.3 a day. So if you times that by 30, that's 99. So if you have people in here, if you have a team, you're going to make more than that. So you're making your return back in less than a month, especially if you're telling people. So if it's doing 3.6, you're making more than your return back in less than a month, in 30 days, in a 30-day period. But it's even more than that, people. I'm trying to tell you, we are compounding every 2 hours. So you need a whole nother calculator that's not around. And I'm not trying to create no spreadsheet for no every 2 hour compound. I'm not even going into that. That's what it's doing. That's what it's doing every day. I'm not even attempt to try to do it. It's going to take a lot of work, and I'm not doing it. But just think about it. You compound it every 2 hours. Because your whole amount, like you just seen, my whole amount just went back into the system. Well, it was changed. It was like 0.7. 70 cent didn't go in there. So this whole 1675 is in there. Every 2 hours. You compounding the whole amount every 2 hours. I'm trying to tell you, can't beat that with a bat. Can't beat it with a bat, people. Can't beat it with a bat. Can't beat it with a bat. All right, it's your boy Terrence GIBSON. Say a lot. This video, hold on, you know what? I'm not even showing y'all what I'm talking about. I showed you that and then never even share my screen again. Yeah, but anyway, probably still the same. You've probably seen my screen when I pulled the calculator up, hopefully. But you probably didn't because it was just my picture. But using the calculator, what I showed you was 30 times, if it only does 3.3, it's 99. You get your initial return back in 30 days. 30 days. And you can pull everything back out. So it's not even the same way. I could take that whole 1866 out right now if I wanted to. But I'm building, so I'm not taking anything out. Probably, yeah, I could take the 18, maybe after it rotates. After a 2 hour period, I could probably take it out. But right now, while that's in there, I probably can't take it out. I have to wait, stop the bot, and then withdraw, and then come back and just restart the bot. That's how you do it. But if you take it all out, no sense restarting the bot because there ain't nothing in there for it to work. So that'd be crazy. But that's what I was showing you. But if you can get to 3.6 times 30, that's 108. So you're making your money back faster with interest in the 30-day period. All right, people. Like, subscribe, rock that bell. Love you. On to the next video. God bless, and God bless.